Hi, this is Togo. This is a reminder for healthy spine. Restoring the curvature of the spine. When we spend sitting for a long time at the work, office, computer, driving, or watching TV at home, we tend to lose arch of your lower back, getting slouched, rounding back. At the same time, body try to balance by moving head forward. You may start feeling discomfort in neck, shoulders, arm, hand, tightness in chest, heaviness in the abdomen, difficulty getting up from the chair. You may even feel less of energies. This movement helps you increase your flexibility of spine, especially bending forward and backward, improve your posture, may even bring your life back. To begin, lift the knee up and down a couple of times to see how you feel connection through the trunk. Place your hand behind your head. Slowly lower the head. The weight of the head is going to lift your hip up. Slowly sit on the chair, sit on the sit bone. Stack your spine up one by one. This is the starting point. See how you breathe. See how your visual field is. How much you can look back out. How far. How easy it is. To start, interlace your fingers. Place your hand behind your head. Slowly round your spine as you look down. Slowly arch your back as you look up. Slowly round the spine, rolling pelvis backward, rounding spine, weight shifting back, abdomen in, sliding chest down, shoulder blade upward. Now slowly rolling pelvis forward, weight shifting forward, arch back, abdomen out, chest up, shoulder blade together. Slowly rounding, rolling pelvis backwards, rounding back, chest down, shoulder blade apart, looking down towards the floor. Slowly moving forward, rolling pelvis forward, arching back, abdomen out, chest up, shoulder blade together, looking up towards the ceiling. Slowly bring back to center. So you feel any differences in changing breathing, visual field, looking up towards the ceiling. If you have hard time placing hand behind the head, you can do with hand on your thigh. Slowing down wakes up your brain's attention and increases the ability to notice what's going on and create something new. By going fast, you can only do what you already know. Let's add some variation. Interlace your finger, place your hand behind your head. This time as you round the spine, look up towards the ceiling. As you arch spine, looking down towards the floor while maintaining the same movement. As you round spine, looking up towards the ceiling. As you arch spine, looking down to the floor. As you round spine, looking up towards the ceiling. As you arch spine, looking down to the floor. If you have difficulty, reduce the effort to see any changes. Visual field, breathing, looking up towards the ceiling. Reducing forces, subtleties, increase your sensitivity and allow your brain to perceive stimulation into new information. When you have a stormy weather, big wave, if you throw the big rock into it, you don't see any changes in the wave. But when you have a still, calm pond, throw the small pebble into it, you might see the ripple across. Not only reducing the physical effort, but also quieting your mind down to see what's happening. Okay, let's add some more variation. Interlace my fingers, I notice my right thumb is up. I'll change the left thumb up. Place my hand behind head. Round the spine. This time only lower back arches. Round it while maintaining the spine, this position, differentiating lower back motion from rest of the spine. Arch it back, round spine, arch, slowly back to center. See any differences? My breathing, visual field, how I sit, look up towards the ceiling. Variation increase your awareness, knowing that you know, and lift you out of the stuckness and rigidity. If you always do what you've always done, you always get what you always got. Let's add some more variation. Interlace your fingers, place hand behind head, round your spine, this time shoulder blade together. Arch your spine, shoulder blades apart. Round spine, shoulder blade together. Arch spine, shoulder blade apart. If it's too easy, add eye movement to the opposite. Round spine, shoulder blade together, looking up. Arch spine, shoulder blade apart, looking down. Round your spine, shoulder blade together, looking up. Arch your spine, shoulder blade apart, looking down. Bring back to center slowly. See any further changes. Breathing, visual field, how you sitting, looking up towards ceiling. When you feel any changes, improvement, does it inspire you? Does lift your energy up? Woohoo! Enthusiasm, inspired by God. So also you stand up to see how you feel and walk around. Are you grounded more? Ease of movement? Sense of beingness? Keep your enthusiasm going on. Hope this movement help you improve your flexibility of spine, posture, and make your life more wonderful. Thank you very much. Have the best day of your life.